Hi, I'm Sowmya Ramesh. I live in Edinburgh, Scotland. I'm a service delivery manager in a company called 2i Testing. This is my second year as a volunteer with Global Testing Retreat, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be a part of this team. It is incredible to witness the kind of energy and enthusiasm in ensuring a high quality program for the conference and the efforts taken to make sure it's a great experience for all participants. It's phenomenal. And this year again, we have a stellar lineup of speakers. There's going to be great panel discussions, networking opportunities, and a lot of fun in the form of interactive activities. I sincerely hope you will consider coming along and being a part of Asia's largest testing conference. So see you there.